See the colorful artwork here? Guess what? This is called Hamilton. It's called a community fridge that open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And inside here, you got a beautiful LG refrigerator. Anything in that freezer? Nope. Anything in the fridge? Some big guns. There, and I don't see anything else in there. Yep, nice. Oh, nothing in this freezer today. Yeah, but it's nothing in the freezer. That's odd. Not anything in the refrigerator, because everybody go and grab it, unfortunately. That's neat. The light bulb in here, and there's just a control in here, and there was coffee, tea, milk, but they're not in there. That's no good. Well, that's the part of it. One part of this. Pretty neat to have. Hand sanitizer here. And yes. Good. There are lots of pads here. Garbage bags. Eggs up here. There were eggs in there, but not anymore. Cans of food here. I could probably use some. Actually, this here. Diabetic stuff. That stuff is expensive too. Okay. This stuff is really expensive. Diabetic stuff. Oh, yes. Canned soup. Well, I'll take that. I'll take what I don't need. Cleaning supplies, there are a lot. You can't go there, but there are bags in here, yes. Little bags in there, yep. Spaghetti, canned food. Damn, I hope they had some more stuff in there. Yep. Anyways, that's just a Hamilton Community Fridge. Very wonderful thing to have in this community there. Like, and they got plugged in here, this building here. That's great. Abandoned building. There's nothing in that refrigerator. I just looked. Nothing in it. Empty. I just got it all. I'll go over.